see. Right. This is so easy that I did not sell. We still have room for. So cute when it's all done. Hello everyone and welcome back to another studio vlog. This is how my workspace currently looks like. Am I mad about it? Am I upset about it? Am I ashamed about it? Nah, I am not, because this is a straight result of 2 straight long hard work of me preparing for my recent markets. But now that I'm not going to have any market for a whole month, and I'm literally gonna start over the whole marathon of market prep, I would like to start fresh with a nicer workspace and more organized than these, because I have more time to prep. I'm not on crunch time, so I can actually be more tidy as I go. So that's what we're going to do together in this video. You guys going to keep me accountable and clean up this workspace. After I clean up my workspace, I also want to do some stuff too. Let me situate you guys up here. Oh no, doesn't look. The lighting looks pretty good. Okay, so first I'm going to remove some of these yarn, and I probably should wind some of them because they kind of not full roll anymore, so I'm not going to be able to put them back on the shelf. So we're going to roll them up. Look at my new goose that I make. I mean, not really new. I just made another one in a fluffier yarn. So actually the size is increased now. So freaking cute. I love this pattern a lot. Lucy the goose. I'm gonna put her on the shelf for now. Right, move the chair. Take a sip of my favorite drink, Ali Pop. Please sponsor me. Found a container. Going to put all the yarn in here so that I can wind them later. This one needs to be winded for sure. So it's this one. See how loose it is? Gonna wind it. All the yarn need to be winded. This is my safety eyes bins. Super big. I'm gonna reorganize all of these because I took the eyes out to work on project and I never put it back. I'm done building. This is like a 2-tier shelf, and then this is just 1 tier. Dude, the 1 tier super easy to build, but these 2 tiers pain me to build this. It's super pretty and very sturdy though, so if you guys would like to get one of these, do it at your own risk. Okay, so I'm going to put this 2-tier shelf on the left side of my desktop, which is essentially where I put my laptop. I'm going to move my printer to the other side. I think I need to unplug it. It's the best. 2-tier. Then I'm going to move my laptop. Right now, I think it's a great moment for me to whip out the new label holder that Moonbin just sent it to me. Let's unpack them and set it up on my new setup desktop. This is the manual, the label holder. This is how it's supposed to look like. Okay. Oh, it's pretty simple. Oh my god, this is so cute, y'all. I don't know if you guys can see it here. It's purple and pink. I used to not be a big fan of pink, but now I don't really mind the color. I think I've really grown into all of these like more feminine color. Dude, what the heck? This is so easy. That's it. I'm done. It's like a little chair. Oh my gosh, how freaking cute is this? It's like a little chair. They also sent me some new label. I think it's just the holographic one. Look at it, shiny. I think I want to make like a label for my packaging with this. Oh my gosh, I am in love. Can you see it's like baby blue label? Oh my gosh, my business is blue, blue, blue. So this is like perfect. I can put it just right here. Ta-da! I'm all set winding all the yarn. So far, I really like how my space looks. But next, after I put these away, we're going to add some green into the space. Looks how cute. My little greenery shelf. This is the shelf where I put projects I'm currently working on. I just finished those two right there, right? And then these are still like need to be worked on. And these yarn are like my details yarn I usually use. Look at the greens, so pretty. I found some of the little items that I did not sell from a couple last events. So what I'm going to do is pack them up in these little bags for mystery plushies. This is just like a poly mailer, nothing crazy, a small poly mailer in our signature like blue color. I don't know if you can tell, all of our business stuff, they're all blue. Use coordinating like marketing materials, not really marketing material, but just like if you slap pretty much your logo and your signature colors on everything, it is really good as for like a brand recognition colors. I think by now, like my local customer, when they see a booth with just like blue everywhere, my logo out front, they would know that it's me right away. Actually, the bag on its own looks pretty boring. So since Moonbin sent me that blue 4x6 thermal like printer label, I think I'm going to design something out of it and then print it out from there to add it on to this package on the outside. I think that will look really cute. All done. So cute. It looks so cute. It has so much more personality now instead of just like a boring plain blue bag. But now it has so much more. And then it's have my logo, the big question mark. It's a mystery crochet plushie. Dare to find out. Next, I'm going to print out some of like the for like packaging for outside of my package. Moonbin sent me like this beautiful holographic label, and I think the design I have in mind, it will make it really pretty and it will really pop out on like all of my blue packaging. Oh my goodness, you guys, I printed out and look how cute it is. I love the holographic. I think this will pop so good on my packagings because I use everything blue. Like my tape have our logos on it, so blue. And then other stickers in there also blue. So I think this one will like perfect. And they were very generous and they sent me like a big roll so I can use it for a good while. Okay, one more task before I'm done with my work part right here is to print out the barcode for these and update the stock in inventories. I'm having my mic right here so I can tell you guys what's happening now. So now I will need to switch into this 2x1 to print out the barcode, and with this new label holder machine thingies, I love this one because it's super easy to use, and it have like these little holes right here. You can see like I thread my cable through here so that I don't lose them and drop them everywhere. Literally just lift this up, bring it out to your right side. That's pretty much it. That's it. I'm going to put in my label. Okay, thread behind, and just like that. I'm going to put in my label now. I'm going to print out the barcode for these now. Print label 2x1. Print. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Whoa, I think I accidentally print way too many. Whoopsie. I'm just going to stick these barcode onto the package now. Now let's turn on my handy dandy barcode scanner and connect it to my machine. Yes, lovely. Just like that, all set. So all of the mystery bags is now restocked on my website. By the time this video goes up, you guys can go ahead and get it for a discounted price. As you can see, for my small business, I use my thermal printer like a lot. Like a lot and a lot and a lot. So if you are a small business owner too, definitely thinking about investing into your own thermal printer, because the printer, you do not need to use any ink at all. Because honestly, guys, printing ink is one of the most expensive part of all. And I am personally highly recommend Moonbin. I love their products so much. I've been using them since I first started out my business until now. Well, that's a lie. I actually use a different printer and I switch up and has to buy like a Moonbin within like a month or two in after I use the other machine. And they coming out with so much more labels in different size, color, shape that I think would be really benefit in your brandings. So absolutely check them out. I will leave the link in my description box below where you guys can check out all of their newest products. This is my scrap yarn jar. Yeah, I still put some more in. That has been with me through the whole holiday market season prep last year. I don't think we're gonna make it through market prep, like the whole holiday market prep season fill in here, but I think I can put the rest, what like little thing I have in here, in this bucket. I'll put it in the jar and it should be it. I mean, this like bucket alone already fits so much. So now I'm not even sure we can fit it all in here. You bet I'm gonna try though. Almost there. I only have that much left. Sometime I just look at the scrap yarn and I kind of like, oh, I see like during this time, this part right here, I was making this item or I was making that item kind of thing because of the colorway like repeatedly. Just like how I would put in that project. You know what? Actually, we still have room for a little bit more. You see when I squeeze it down? Like a little bit more right here. This is actually an art piece for me. So pretty, look at it. Colorful. Next task for today, I would like to finish an item that I've been crocheting the past couple days. I just need to sew on the ears and weave in a couple ends. Doo-doo! This is Baby Yoda. This pattern is by Crochet with Bay. Snip, snip. I got my needles and a hook to help me weave in. These little things, I lose so many of them, it's ridiculous. Gotta bring my bucket over. So cute! Haha, who am I kidding? I thought I've made enough ears for all of them, but actually only made like enough for 4. So putting on my to-do list for tomorrow that I will need to make more ears for these little baby. But now that this is complete, I'm going to put it on my inventory list when I do market prep. I'm just going to put these baby on the shelf since we are ready with them. This way I know that I will need to tag these when it's all done. Another task done. Today's been such a productive day, you guys. I am in love with how my current workspace look like. Oh my goodness. It's so good to have a little like reset in your office, just like, you know, tidy up your workspace, move things a little bit around. It's giving you so much more space to be creative, to be organized, and to work more efficiently. Thank you so much, you guys, for coming along with me in this studio vlog. I really hope after watching this video, you guys be motivated to tidy up your space and create a cozy workspace for yourself. As always, thank you so much for watching this video, but I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.